Well, guys, the refrigerator came. Not quite sure how I'm gonna unbox it because I can't lift it. But I'm not against destroying that box. So let's undo it as best as we can, anyway. We got styrofoam with a handle in it, and a couple of screws. So I'm assuming we're going to have to put something together. Right, well, if we cut down the sides, maybe, I don't know. You know what, I'm going to cut down, that's what I'm going to do. It ain't very heavy, it's just awkward. So I'm going to take these scissors, I'm going to cut right on down the side. Try and cut nothing important. Oh, come on, fingers. Well, I lost the scissors. Alright, we got one more to cut. Alright, now we can do this side. It's getting kind of crowded in here. Good thing I ain't claustrophobic, right? Get in there. Cut anything important. I think we can get it from there. By George, I think we can do it. We gotta move this. We'll put that right there for a minute. Okay, so it is heavy. But there it is, guys. What do you think? So far? I gotta get this all the way out, and then I'm gonna destroy that box. Then we'll get to this. So I'm gonna finish unboxing it, at least as far as I can get rid of the box, and I'll bring you right back. See you in a minute. Well, guys, there it is. all open. I'm going to close it. I'm not sure which side I'm going to do as to what, but we do have a box that was inside of it. Comes with manual, which I will read. And another manual. Anyway, here's the AC, I'm assuming. That plugs in there, I bet. Here's the car charger part. Same deal. That's cool. And this goes into this. Hey, that'll fit my razor. Go figure that. That will be the one I'll be using for now until I need battery backup. I think this right here is a place to store cords. I'm not sure. I would imagine. But until I get the manual all ready, we're just going to leave it like that. But I also got to clear that space. Get it flipped round, because this is the front. But over here, we have the porch. And like I said, this looks like a spot to store cords and such. Not sure yet. We have the controls right here. A USB port. I just hope it works, because I done destroyed the box. I had to get it out. But now I gotta clear out that space. I'm quite sure it'll fit. The height would be about the only thing I'm concerned with. So anyway, that's what I'll be doing today. I'll bring you back maybe and let you see progress. But right now I gotta get some coffee in me. I just woke up. So I'll catch you on in a little while. Peace. Hey, check out what I did. I took that foam, that styrofoam, raised my stuff up a little bit. I'm gonna chuck that piece. What do you think? Recycle, reuse. That's what I always say. And all I gotta do is get that stuff, figure out a new home for that, then we can put that in its home. Hopefully, it'll work. I don't know. I have to figure it out. But I'm getting there. I'll get back with you. Well, there it is. It's in its place. All plugged in and up to temperature. And it's holding the temperature really, really well. Got it plugged in right there. Got my hot logic. I'm about to put a dinner in. But I thought I'd show you the innards if I can ever move. Oh, there we go. Check it out, here's the freezer side. See, and I got food in it already. And then we got the fridge side. Yeah, pardon my buns. Works pretty good. At least it seems to. I'll sit you guys right here, just for a minute. freezer side is on 0 and the fridge side is on 40. But right now, I am going to put a dinner in my logic. And I think it's going to be a shepherd's pie. I think I'm going to cook that. And for that, all we gotta do is, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, we'll do it that way. Maybe you can see. We're just gonna open it up, see what we got in here. 17 grams protein. That's pretty good, right? Okay, we have a paper box. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick this in the hot logic, plug it in, and let it go for a couple hours. I done lost my oven. I had one of them oven gloves. I'll be danged if I can find it. I had it the other day, but I can't find it. I had to use one of my winter gloves just to make coffee. That was not cool. Now, I don't know if the fridge and this can run together. I don't see why not. I ran my coffee maker and this together. Okay, which side is big and which side is little? This goes in this way. Alright, flip that on. Okay, that's on. Put my guns back up there. Get rid of this box. That says microwave on high for 8 to 9 minutes. Or the oven for 375 for an hour. So if it's got to be in the oven for an hour and in the microwave for 8 minutes, then it's going to have to be in this for probably 2 hours. I'll check on it after 2 hours. Let me set a timer here. Oh, come on. Everything's fighting with me today. Would you play, please? Thank you. And my body don't know whether it wants to freeze or sweat. From my waist up, I'm sweating. From my waist down, I'm freezing. And my knees are killing me today. Last night I went to bed, and I laid there in pain for like 2 hours before I could get comfortable enough to sleep. I almost said to heck with it and got up. Said forget sleeping. But I ended up finding a comfy position. With that messed up. Normally I'm a side sleeper. Because if I sleep on my back, my legs get in such a position that they hurt. Because they don't straighten out. And laying on my side yesterday, well, last night, was just not an option. But I did end up finding a comfy spot on my left side. But being I'm on my left side, I can't hear nothing. So I kept waking up throughout the night, because it got quiet. Because if I'm covering this ear, I can't hear. Because this ear's shut. I was supposed to get hearing aids. But that's a whole nother video. Food. Yeah, this fridge works really good. I like it. So far. I'm going to live with it for, as long as possible, but in about a month or so, I'll make a better review on it and let y'all know exactly what I think. But so far, I like it. I like the fact that there's light in it. When you open the door, the light comes on. That works for me. Especially being where it's at. That's a good thing. And I like the fact that I can actually get to the fridge. Living over where I was, you can't get to the refrigerator half the time because homeboy's sitting in the way like Johnny freaking Bench all day. And then you gotta ask him, can I get to the refrigerator, please? Or, can I get to the microwave, please? And if he's busy, oh, heaven forbid should you ever ask him anything. Because he'll tear your head off. I did that once while he was watching the news. All I wanted to do is get some food. And he says, you can wait until I get done here. And all he was doing was sitting there watching the news. He could have stood up, moved the chair, I could have did what I had to do, left. He would have never took his eyes off the TV. Yeah, I'm still drinking my coffee. I wish I could find my oven mitt. I hate to have to buy another one. I mean, where could it be? It just up and disappeared. I had it right in this area. But then I moved stuff around, to get the styrofoam under there. And I'll be danged if I know what to do with it. It's just weird. Oh, I found a cricket down here. He was over by my bed staring at me. So I went over to it. And we were, really close, and he didn't even try to get away. And I thought about using something to catch him, take him outside. But he wouldn't let me catch him. He just kept flittering around. He didn't hop or nothing, just ran. So I had to swat him. I hated to do that. But he can't live here. This ain't no place for a cricket. Hopefully that'll be the last one I see. I don't know how it got in here. Who knows? Anyway, I think I'm gonna leave you with that. Yep, fridge is working really, really well so far. I like it. And it's not really that heavy. Unless it's full, of course. But it alone, it's not really that bad. I haven't done anything more to the room. I got 2 more boxes sorted out. Did that yesterday. I got some cans I gotta deal with. Nobody here turns in cans. And I haven't turned in cans in years. I always had people that wanted them. No, I don't. Maybe Zach will take them. I don't know. I mean, I hate to just chuck them. That's money. Here in Michigan, that's 10 cents a can. You get a 12-pack, that's $1.20. I don't know. Figure it out. Somewhere down the line. I just wish I knew what the heck happened to that glove. I seen some on Amazon, though. I might just buy them anyway. Comes in a pair. Same thing as the Elf glove. More modern, of course. I've had that Elf glove for years. But what I like about it is it's washable. You know, most oven clothes, you can't wash them. Or people just don't wash them. Which I think is kind of gross. You know, you get grease on them and everything. That's just... The guy I was living with, he's got an elf glove and it's dang near black. Because it's just so filthy. I don't think he's ever thrown it in the wash. Yeah. That's just nasty. And he complains about miter. My brother and I are 10 times cleaner than he is. And my brother's not that clean. You know, he's not nasty dirty, he's just cluttery dirty. But Myron, boy, he is just nasty dirty. Leaves dishes in the sink for weeks. Goes hunting, he don't care. Leaves food out for days. And then he blames us because there's bugs in the house or there's mice in the house. He'll have trash absolutely spilling out of his trash can before he'll take it to the can. That's disgusting. It stinks. It looks horrible and it attracts rats. Not to mention cockroaches. I am so glad I'm out of there. I'll take a wet, nasty basement over that place any day. And so far it ain't been wet nasty. So, but I got everything up on stilts just in case. 'Cause you never know. It is a basement. And it is known to flood. As long as it don't flood more than an inch, we're good. I'm told it's not that bad, it's just in places where it goes. And I'm hoping maybe I can remedy it as I see it. I'm actually hoping it don't happen at all, but I expect it will. Especially when snow melts. 'Cause that's a lot of water. We'll see. Prepare for the worst and hope for the best, right? Anyway, I think I'm gonna let you go with that. I've rambled far too long. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And to all my new people, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope I can be entertaining. I hope you know, get something out of it, maybe. I don't know. Peace and love to y'all. I'll see you on the next one.